Belated Happy New Year, Auntie.
Okay. Okay. Now, just I'll start sharing my screen. Check whether you are able to see that. Okay, Google Chrome. I will take www dot. Okay. One minute. Can you see my screen now?
No, miss. No, Auntie. It's showing Abhinav 5 years started screen sharing.
Yes. Now?
Miss, we can't see anything.
Black color is there?
Yes, miss.
Black color. Okay. Now I'm going and clicking the new tab. What is it? You are going to type there is www dot
Miss, we can't see your screen. Miss, we can't see your screen. We can't see your screen.
Now?
No, miss.
Firefox?
Yes, miss, now we can see.
Yes, that is what. Okay, my laptop is little slow. Okay, now what you are going to search is www dot 3 times w dot Perez, P-R-E-Z-I. I am typing here. Check this. See, this is free for 1 month. Then if you want, you can use a different ID. Okay, you need not be buying it. www dot Perez, P-R-E-Z-I.com. Okay, enter.
I got it, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is it
It is asking for business
What, beta?
and
for educators for students. Yes, it is asking for business for educators for business.
For only educators. Students is there. Can you check for students one? For business, for educators?
I didn't get to that.
Yes, miss, it is there. I can see students.
For
I can see
students.
students.
Click for students. Okay.
Miss, I cannot see anything like that.
Who is not able
Okay,
to
miss.
see?
Okay. Miss, I got it. Miss, I'm supposed to click for students, right?
Yeah. Your people are students only, no?
Okay, miss. Should I create my account?
Yes. Create your own account. Abhinav.
Auntie, here it is showing
Yes.
I hide behind the slide. Can I just, and it is showing allow camera. on
Yes.
login contact
If you are
says
allowing
it's-
camera there, you have to off your Zoom camera.
Okay, Auntie.
In your laptop, understand one thing, you cannot access your camera in two places. If you are accessing like that, you have to off one camera and work on. Okay.
Auntie, you were talking about some login. Can you please explain that once more? Miss, by themselves, they gave a password, miss.
Save and keep that password. Please save and keep that password.
Miss, can I change the password?
Beta, change your password, but remember your password. Because next time when you are going into that, you have to use the same password.
Auntie, is it a mail password?
What you can give your own beta. It is not compulsory.
Auntie?
Okay.
Auntie, to log in into Prezi, can you please explain that part again?
See here. Your first name. This one you are asking beta. For students. I will explain again. 1 minute. Hold on. Because Rakshita has joined now. Rakshita, can you hear me?
Miss, it's asking me I certify that I'm at least 13 years old or I have reached the minimum age limit set out in the laws of my country.
Better click everything. Click everything.
Okay.
Click everything. Okay.
Continue.
Don't worry. They are not going to check you because you are a student. Okay. Rakshita. Is she not able to hear me?
Miss, then I get a screen like start your 14-day free trial today.
Yes, that is what. Wait, beta, Aram say, please, everybody has to do, okay? Slowly. 1 minute. Let everybody has done this. Path, Yuganathan. Has everybody done this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please put it in your chat box. If everybody has done, put thumbs up in your chat box. So this one is done. If everybody is done, drop me a thumbs up. Your first name, last name, email, password. I am not a robot. This certificate, just take it, everything.
Auntie, where do we get it?
Which one, beta?
This one only.
Rakshida, you have to type
Auntie.
www.persi, PREZI.com. Bharat has done. Very fine, beta. Yes.
Auntie, I want to ask a question.
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
Auntie, can we also sign up with Google?
You people can sign up with Google. So whatever you are doing here, you will be publishing there. Everybody silent with the Google. You don't have Facebook, no. Rakshida, www.prezzi.com. In that, you have to go one by one. Okay. Now, at least
Miss,
5
I did not click Miss, I did not click sign in with Google. Miss, I just wrote my things and then I said I'm not a robot, and I certified my own
and continue. You can give continue. She has gone to
yes,
the
ma'am.
next page. Yes, beta.
I signed up with Google, so it is showing me here standard, plus, and premium.
No, come out. Just use continue. Don't use that one. You are not supposed to do that.
But auntie, I am joining with my mother's email ID. So my mother doesn't know her email ID's password.
No better. Just go back and fill till continue. Certify. I certify that I am 13 years old. There go and give continue. Finish. Don't go and sign with anything. Sign up with Facebook. Don't click. Sign up with Apple. Don't click. Sign up with Google. Don't click. Sign up with Microsoft. Don't click. I will teach you one by one how to sign up with everything. Okay.
Auntie, I did that and I logged into Prezi.
Yeah, superb. Everybody has logged in. I got 3 people into that.
Yes, auntie.
Yes, everybody. See, now can you see my thing? Some video is going on. Can okay. So try here. Here, can you see this? Try Percy for free. Can you click that?
But for me, something else is showing.
What is showing?
Teacher, I want to showing like this.
How? Read the screen.
Start your 14 days for free
click it.
trade
Click it, beta.
and
Click
enjoy.
it. Click it.
But
After
it's
you,
just a word,
Miss?
but I cannot click it.
Miss,
yes, beta.
I want to show something.
Who wants to show?
Teacher, here.
Miss, when it's showing start your 14-day free trial today.
Yes. Then you can
Miss,
just
what am I supposed to click? Miss, all these need
okay.
money.
Now I will
Miss.
create another account for you. Wait. 1 minute. Can you see my screen?
Yes, Miss.
Everybody can see my screen? This is all you did. Am I right?
Yes, auntie.
Ah,
But auntie, the screen, when I log in, it's showing something else only for me.
what it is showing? Can you say me?
Auntie, I need to screen share for that.
1 minute.
It's
I
not
will allow
ready.
everybody to screen share. 1 minute. I am just doing this process. Whether you have done any mistake here or not, let us check. Okay. I think everybody has done this one. And continue. Okay. Here I got my this one. Did you show password? And I off my password and I am saving it. Okay. This is because, okay, I already have this account given to them. Let me check again. Did anybody face this problems? No. Hey, all my accounts are there.
No.
1 minute, yeah.
Auntie, how many accounts do you have in total?
I have my business accounts, 4 business accounts. Because we are handling so many classes.
Auntie, in the first one, only the create an account, that one, it's showing the down part, I certificate.
Yes, click that. Click that. Click that. Here now, what you are talking is this one. Am I right?
Yes.
Click that
Yes,
and continue. Array. Okay. Already I have done. Okay. Now I'm going. Which one? I will allow you people to share the screen. 1 minute. Who is
Auntie,
going
can
to
I?
share first? Wait.
Can I, Miss?
One by one.
Auntie,
First
Miss Subhashri.
Himaja, Teju, one by one.
Okay, auntie. Auntie, can I share now?
Yeah, Himaja can start, then Teju.
Miss Tejashree has shared.
Okay, Teju has start. Okay.
And
Wait, Himaja, hold on, beta. She is sharing it. Yes, wait. Here, students and educators is there. No, click that one.
I clicked it.
Which one, auntie? Wait, auntie. Well, students and educated, yes. I clicked it, auntie.
Click down. Click, go down. See, these are the various businesses they are giving us. You should know if the screen is coming like this, it is for various business. You can go for try free.
Okay, miss. Miss, it's saying dollar.
Edu Plus. Auntie, in that Edu Plus.
Miss,
No, Miss, it's
All
asking
this
for money.
Wait. Go back, beta. Go back. Go to basics first. Go down. Go up. Still, continue with basic. Give. Everybody give continue with basics. Yes, invite your team. Now you can invite how many people you wanted to invite or just give skip. Presently give skip.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Now student. Go to student.
So I clicked.
Please everybody follow this. Go to students. Start your scratch is there. Simple tiles is there. Minimal dots, green. Just click the another arrow to move again. Click the arrow beta. Not this. Click the arrow. Here. Arrow is there. After green card, you can see an arrow mark. To go to next.
Auntie.
Beta.
Okay, yes, miss.
Up. Green card. ABC. One person is there. No. Yes, Himaja.
Yes,
beta.
miss. Yes, Miss, these are the ABC.
I just wanted to tell you something. This is the same screen I got without doing any of the things that you told right now.
See, that is what somebody have you tried it first. Then you will be logging in directly into Prissy. Everybody is able to go to the screen. Use only
Yes, auntie.
basic to continue. Click that. Teju, click
Yes,
that
yes.
arrow. Yes, click it.
Listeners and auntie, after the business,
No.
the business, what should
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. It is on the top. Basic continue. No.
Yes, on
Teju, ruko. I am
Okay.
talking to Rakshida. I am talking to Rakshida. Rakshida, beta, please, when you enter inside, there will be basic to continue. Did you all do that?
Continue with basic.
Did you all do that? Hezron, Yuganathan, Subhashri, Himaja, everybody is ready to do that?
Yes, auntie.
Okay.
Miss, no, Miss, I still don't understand what to do.
Who don't understand Subhashri? Okay.
Miss,
Subhashri, in which page you are, beta?
Miss, I am on starting your 14-day Edu Plus. Miss, it's asking for card number.
In that side, you can see basic to continue. Can you see?
15 days trial.
14 days trial. Yes, there only you can see basics to continue. The small on your right hand side top.
No, Miss.
No.
Miss, 1 minute, Miss. Okay, Miss, now only I got.
Got it?
Okay, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Continue with that.
Miss, I clicked skip.
Skip is
Miss,
okay.
then
Everybody
student.
click on skip because you are not inviting anybody now. When you are versed in this, you can be inviting.
Yes,
1
Miss, I
minute.
came in, Miss.
1 minute. Agnihotri ma'am is calling me. 1 minute. Okay. I am just. Please try this. I will talk to her and come. Okay. I texted to her. I am in class. So Agnihotri ma'am will not disturb you. Everybody knows Agnihotri, no?
No, I don't know.
Yes, auntie. Kanak's mother.
See. Hezron, you know your Agnihotri teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Is your English teacher. Okay, now coming back to our class, just click any of your slides. Complete a project assignment or assignment. You can see this is no. Teju, please scroll down.
Okay, Miss.
You can see her. What is this and all? It all is related to whatever you did with your Google, your mail IDs, your HTML. No, everything is here. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is, you are going to select any one method from here. As is the first class, you can just take from the rainbow, basic gradient, blue whale. Today you are going to prepare your own video or your own slides. Okay. Start with Scratch. Everybody knows Scratch. Am I right?
Yes, Miss.
Hezron, do you know Scratch? Start from scratch. Everybody click there. Or if you want to click anything else also, you can click better. It is not compulsory for clicking the Scratch. Without camera. Please now proceed without camera. Don't allow camera because your Zoom will ask access for camera. No. Proceed. Yes. Continue. Yes. See what is happening. There is a plus sign, no? Any images you have, you can just put it there. I am going to put a Happy New Year or Happy Pongal. Anything you can drop it there. Okay.
Miss,
Oh.
the Where is the video of the scratch or anything?
Anything, beta, whatever you have in your file, just you have to first go to import, click the 3 waffles. Here, beta. No. See, this one I thought you know Photoshop. There's a Google photo story. How you are going to add one by one. The same method you will add here. Click on that.
Miss, which one is this one?
Text. You can click text or pictures or anything. Happy New Year. You click Happy New Year to all in coding class. Please, everybody do that.
It's done.
Yeah. Now tick the 3 waffle sign. There is a 3. Now new slide, duplicate, add visual.
Miss?
Go to add visual.
Miss,
Beta.
how did she get this? Miss, you guys were stuck for me.
Okay. We went into the slides. When you are, please, Teju, click the dashboard Percy now first to show her. Have everybody done Happy New Year, Himaja? See, we were here, beta. Hi, Tejasri, what would you like to create today? Okay, like that it will come. Hi, Subhashri, what would you like to create today? In that, she has selected the scratch. You can select anything. Himaja,
Miss, for me, it's
Ezra?
asking to see Prezi video in action. Please allow camera and microphone access.
Yes, presently don't allow camera, beta, because your Zoom will off.
Proceed without camera.
Yes, see with Himaja, beta, Yuganathan,
Miss, there is no
Ezra.
such option like that for me.
See dear, proceed without camera.
Yes,
Proceed.
auntie, proceeded without
We allow camera.
Miss, Miss, I didn't get like this kind of this mess. I got it in a different way.
Okay. Say
Rishi, can you stop sharing? Miss, I got it this way.
your camera and microphones are already blocked. Refresh the page and start it better. Don't allow the camera because you are using Zoom. In your laptop, only one can access your camera and microphone. All the apps cannot allow.
Miss,
Just
my video is off in Zoom.
No. You are talking to me, no?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, just go back.
Auntie?
Beta.
Auntie, can I share my screen once? I want to show you something.
Okay, 1 minute. Subhashri, please refresh your screen and do it from the before part. Go back to Percy. It will ask the basic, no? From there you start better. Yes, Imaja, you can start.
Okay, auntie.
Parth, have you completed it better? Have you created Happy New Year?
Yes, auntie.
Wow. Happy New Year to all in the coding class. 100% for us. No, 1000 for us.
100% for the New Year, auntie.
New Year. Okay, now can Barth share a screen? Very fine. You can you explore what all you can do. Okay, this is what I wanted to teach you people today. But in this another yes, Barth, Hezron, everybody be ready to share.
No,
your-
miss, it's the same thing for me again.
Okay, better come out of Percy, then start.
Miss,
You
I did
just-
that. Miss, I did it, miss, like that.
You got it. Okay, Barth, please share your screen better. Happy New Year 2022. Very fine, Tejo. Hezron, whatever you have done is okay, beta. Please share your screen, Hezron. Rakshita.
Teacher, now only I got scratch. I'm finding for scratch.
You're finding for scratch. Why, beta?
Yes.
You don't have the file in your laptop.
Yes, teacher. I
Okay.
don't.
Just go and click there and off your cameras and start doing it. Okay. Okay, Bath, can you share your screen better? You're sharing. Okay. Next, Yoganathan has to share.
Yes. I got disconnected, so I don't know what was asking.
No, but no problem.
Okay.
See, go to quick. Wait. Nothing is a problem. Go to quick record. Click there. Okay. This browser isn't supported by whatever you are doing. Okay. Get desktop. Click here. Get desktop app better. Get desktop app near your PK. No, get desktop app in your right hand side top. Yes. Are you getting now?
Yes.
See? Yes. It is taking
Okay,
small
good.
time to download. Okay. Save file. You are saving the file. Okay. See, again the same meeting ID. Please join whoever has not got it.
Miss,
Okay.
mine is not working, Miss.
Subhashri, hold on. After him, I will ask this one, Yuganathan to share, and I will next rejoin better so that we will do that. Okay. If the meeting ends, rejoin, we will do. What is the problem? Let me see.
How did you get this?
Which one better?
This
What now, Bath?
thing.
Because for Bath, the laptop version was not supporting Perzi. So we are getting it downloaded in its laptop.
Okay, miss.
That's a short story.
Click to restart, better. Click to restart. Wait. Don't click. Have you clicked it?
Yes.
Cancel it. Wait. It has done. It has done. Wait. Hold on. Would you? Who has raised the hands? Yes, Rakshida. Teju, any doubt? Save the file, Bath. Save the file. Yes. Rakshida, what is your doubt, beta? Unmute and talk. Unmute and talk. Check your headphone pins. Check your headphone pins. Okay. Now, Bart, click to restart here, beta. Click here to restart.
Auntie, after
Save
we
the
give
file.
skip, what should I do?
Which step, beta?
No, Auntie. See, Auntie, now it's coming like this for me.
Okay, students. Go to students. For Rakshida, I am saying it is go to students.
Students.
Business, students, others is there, no? Go to students. Bart, it will start restarting your computer, beta.
Still loading.
He said I should restart my computer.
It will restart your computer. Because the application is downloading, no? It will restart.
Okay. I can stop sharing.
Yeah, you can stop sharing. Yes, Rakshida, you can share your screen. Hezron, are you done? You can done. Yes, Rakshida, what it is showing? Students,
And
go to
it's showing
students.
nothing for me. It's loading and loading and loading.
Yeah, your Wi-Fi is slow, beta. Yuganathan, please share your screen.
Yes.
You just give time for rice. Garlic and ginger I have kept and coconut. Remove it. Remove the skin, grate it for chutney. Sorry. Yes, next slide. Wow, Yuganathan has done 2022. Happy New Year to all. Okay. Now Hezron, Subhashri, and one more is Bath. Are you getting Rakshida?
Auntie, for me, it's like now it's coming like this.
What is that?
Should I do allow camera?
No, don't allow camera. Please don't allow camera. When you are not in Zoom, you can allow camera. Now,
Processed without camera.
yes. Now, can I start sharing my screen? 1 minute. This is my screen. I think so.
Auntie, now?
What is that? What is it asking?
Auntie, unmatched engagement for better meeting.
Okay, down what is there, beta?
See, Auntie. No, Auntie, it's not coming down. It's staying continue only.
Continue karo. I'm going to share another thing. Okay. See, in the same PC, now you made with a scratch. Okay, am I right? Anybody answer me, no? You made with scratch now. Now what you will do is just go back to first one. That is, it will ask for so many things. No, in that you are going to make a video presentation. The topic is, see, I'm going here. See for free. Get started. This is all you did it. Am I right? Everybody is thorough with the steps? Everybody is thorough with the steps?
Yes, Auntie. Yes, Auntie. Auntie, can we also make a real video in Prezi?
Yeah, you can make. That is what I'm going to show you now. Okay. You please
Auntie,
rejoin.
now can I make one video and show?
Yeah, we do na. But only one thing, you should copy the link. Okay, today I will give you the work is that apart from Subhashri, all others will go and do, explore the Percy and find your own voice, your own video and send the link in the group.
Okay.
Okay.
Find our own video, what our voice.
See, I will give you one topic. Okay. As this is a new year, you can do so many videos, whatever you like. You can make, or you can say, Prezi itself you follow. Now you did scratch, no? Go below. There will be lot of slides you can explore. Models.
Auntie?
Yes?
Auntie, can we make videos of cooking or anything?
It's your own wish, but send me only the link. It's your own wish. Only for Subhashri and Hezron. I will call them in the WhatsApp group to show what is happening. So I am ending.
Auntie?
Yes?
Auntie, can we have time till 9 o'clock night?
Just 1 minute, can I please share screen, miss?
Your time for this is today night 10 o'clock.
Wow. Thanks, Auntie.
Yes?
Miss, can I please share screen?
Yeah, share the screen.
Auntie, what should I do? Miss, you are sharing the screen.
1 minute. I am stopping it better. Stop share. Yes?
Miss, over here I've created this, but miss, where do I get all those pictures and anything? I don't understand.
Better see here. You have to go to import. Import. Whatever you
Miss-
want to show.
Miss, where is it?
No. Go down. Complete project. Take this project now. 1 minute, better take the project slide. Not charts.
Miss,
Go up.
Miss.
See, complete a project or assignment. Take this. In this, take any slide. Okay, any design and do. Don't go for scratch again. Please, you have done with scratch. Don't go for scratch
Miss, we
again.
did not do anything in scratch after we clicked start.
Auntie, but for me, it never came like that one, Auntie.
See, this is all slide models. Okay, this is all slide models. Already they have created some project. If you wish, you can take the same or create your own project.
Miss, I don't understand this. Miss, what is this? I don't